The Tyre Sensors Not Detected error on Ford Fiesta Ecoboost Turbo models from 2013 to 2019 indicates a communication failure between your car's tire pressure monitoring system sensors and the ECU. This issue is common and usually stems from sensor battery depletion lasting 5 to 7 years, corrosion, or the need for module reprogramming. The system uses direct TPMS with sensors inside each tire. Common causes include sensor battery depletion, which lasts about 5 to 7 years, corrosion from moisture, and the need for module reprogramming. The error typically occurs after tire rotations or replacements due to low sensor voltage from failing lithium-ion batteries, or when tire pressure drops to 25% below the recommended PSI, such as below 32 PSI. First, try a TPMS Relearn. Drive your Ford Fiesta at a consistent speed of 25 to 30 miles per hour for 10 to 20 minutes to allow the system to detect the sensors. If the driving relearn fails, use Ford's integrated diagnostic system software or an OBD2 scanner with TPMS capabilities to relearn the sensor IDs. For a DIY approach, try holding the reset button on your dashboard during the ignition cycle. If the error persists, sensor replacement is likely necessary. Replacement sensors cost around $80 to $150 each. Corrosion can also be a factor, especially in colder climates where road salt is used. If replacing sensors, consider professional reprogramming to avoid issues with your ABS or ECU or voiding the warranty. Dealership services typically cost around $100 for reprogramming and ensure correct sensor ID registration.